Prepositions regarding date and time, part 1. Today we are going to learn about where to use in. First of all, we can use in the parts of day or to represent the part of the day. For example, in the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon. Then we can use in to represent the season. In summer, in winter, in spring. Then we can also use in to represent a year. In 1720, in 1900s. If we can use in to represent the year, we can also use in to represent a century. In 15th century. And also to represent the future century, we can say in the next century. Apart from all this, we can also use in to represent the months. In January, in August.